of dark because we turned the light off. But today we are going to have this glow stick with lights. And yeah. Okay, so now we're going to do whistle talk.
Well, we've been working on our whistle talk, so.
Yeah, so here is our...
Alright, here's Nancy's going to say I love you, and I'll say I love you back.
Wait, let me turn the light on first.
Alright.
Okay, ready, go. Okay, now
we're going to say it in Spanish.
Okay, now we're gonna say, I'm gonna say, let's fill up a party, and he's gonna say, Yahoo! Okay.
I'm going to agree. She's going to go whistle talk. We're gonna keep working on our whistle language. I was telling Nancy how in the part of Mexico where Grandpa Ralph was from, Oaxaca,
I'm gonna show you
people
my
talk in whistles.
This is my slime. I like my slime. Ooh, I have a good idea. It's really close.
Oh. No, it's dark now. Oh, that's neat. Oh, hold on, let me put it. Oh, that was kind of neat.
Okay, let me
You can see through the little crack. Look into my eye.
Hey, okay.
Oh, wow, that's cool. I can see your face, but like with a filter on the camera lens. Call it camera lens filter. Pink lens filter. Cool.
Okay.
Right,
Okay, so now wait.
Hold on, we're going to cut this one a little short because Daddy's got to get ready to take Nancy back. Boo-hoo-hoo. I know. This is the hardest part of my day, having to say goodbye to her.
I'm going to show my mommy, but Mommy, I wasn't sad when...
Yeah.
I wasn't sad that day. So.
I know, you weren't sad Thursday. I don't know why Mommy told me that. But anyways.
Wait.
Nobody made you feel sad, huh, Nancy? Of course not.
Okay, thank you guys for watching our video.
Love you.
I will make it so.